Oh shit.
We're bugs.
Yeah, Abby, come here, baby.
Oh, cool.
Come here. Come on, up. Up. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm fucking Facebook Live and everything. Arizona flash flood, bitches.
Damn.
Hey, Santy, get your ass out here in the blazer, motherfucker.
Oh, go, dude.
Hurry
Oh
up.
shit.
Time out, dude.
It's coming this way.
Wait, how the fuck are we going? Wait. We're on the wrong side of this bitch.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Alright. Not that deep yet. Ah!
9 Mile Wash is now 9 Mile River.
Damn.
Hey, Sandy, bring your fucking blazer out here, dude.
Oh man. Oh shit. Yeah, he's dug in now.
He got reverse. He's good. He's good.
You gotta get the fuck out of there.
Man, that smells so fucking good.
I know. I love that smell. They're making waves. Literally.
Danny, you know you want to come fuck the blazer up, dude. Bring it. Hey, Santy, this is 9 Mile Wash between Needle Rock and Bartlett. It's completely fucking flat flooded. It's all a couple inches, but it's a whole fucking wash all the way across.
Damn.
Supposed to rain.
Parking lot.
Parking lot's not even flooded out though.
Not yet.
Coming or what?
Sounds like someone's coming down.
Huh?
The fucking camcorder?
Yeah. Hey, it works.
How is that thing still working?
I don't know. Where did it come from?
I mean, it's not waterproof, is it?
Hondas, man.
Sandy, get your lazy ass in your fucking truck. Come out. It's all the way across